Something that I do to use as a scoop. In this case, I use this for scooping birdseed out of the large bin that I store it in. This is an old coffee can. All I did was cut a little wedge in the lid of it to make it easy to pour. And it's easy to hold too, like coffee cans are. So if you want to dispense your birdseed like so, or if you if you need a lot of it to fill your bird feeder, like a few bird feeders scattered throughout the yard, you can put a lot in this. This is 36 ounces in this here, and it's easy to pour, so you could knock out all of your bird feeders in one trip, basically. Very simple, and you could use this as a scoop, for pretty much anything, and actually works quite well. So check it out, another life hack. We're always posting stuff here, so check out our channel frequently. Y'all have a good morning.